Sheikh, I have a question. I enrolled in a course of Amazon selling. I learned from Amazon selling 3 months. Then I came to know that Amazon supporting Israel. So stopped working on Amazon. Then I start finding something else to do, such as digital marketing. So I find that every platform is controlled by Jews, and they are.
Okay, so basically speaking, we spoke about this so many times. What is the ruling on boycotting such products that are owned or they are known to support, or the governments of such companies support generously Israel, directly or indirectly? And we said that boycotting is something that is beneficial. The Prophet did it, alayhi salatu wasalam. But at the same time, the Prophet dealt, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, with Jews, with Byzantines, with Persians, while still having conflict and wars with them, which meant that business as usual. Not only that, Thumama ibn Athal, may Allah be pleased with him, when he accepted Islam, he boycotted all types of wheat and grain shipped to the idol worshippers in Mecca. So they felt the pressure and they were in deep need of such wheat and grain. After a few months, the enemies of the Prophet ﷺ, who were still fighting him, sent envoys to the Prophet begging him to reconsider the ties of kinship between them and to allow the wheat and grains to come to them. So the Prophet uplifted the embargo and allowed it to go in. What does this tell you? They were idol worshippers. They were enemies. They killed the companions. But the Prophet ﷺ uplifted the embargo. So this is a personal preference. If you want to boycott because you feel that it would hurt those who support Israel, good for you. This is your personal way of doing it. But if you see someone not doing it, or consuming their cheeseburgers or fried chicken, you cannot blame them and say, oh, shame on you. You're drinking their soft drinks. No, it's not. It's halal. So put things in perspective. Weigh things with fairness and Islamic rulings from the Qur'an and Sunnah. Don't just shoot from the hip like so many people do, unfortunately. Now, if you want to work for these companies and there are no platforms for you to work and you are the breadwinner, there's no problem in working with Amazon or with any other company as long as